Through the NASPO Internship Program, students from across the country step into the world of public procurement, making real contributions in real government offices.
I was able to contribute to my state's office through innovative research projects that allowed me to get a real hands-on feel.
One of the most interesting things I learned was the idea of a master contract. I found it very interesting and it was very applicable overall.
I was able to see one of the shelters that I was running the contracts with. I was able to see all of the various contracts and words on it come to life right before my eyes and see how actual citizens were impacted by it.
This has kind of shown me how to work on large, long-term projects, and it's a skill that I definitely see being able to carry over to my career.
NASPO is where state procurement leaders unite, sharing knowledge, innovation, and a passion for public service. NASPO Reach brings that community together, creating a space where you can learn, connect, and grow.
It's inspiring to see so many people dedicated to public service.
I'm learning how procurement really works and how I can make a difference. Meeting professionals across states showed me how connected this work is.
Through the NASPO Internship Program, students gain hands-on experience in state offices, tackling real projects, building skills, and making a difference. Ready to launch your career in public service? Start your journey to procurement excellence today.